In this lesson, we'll use a reference triangle on the coordinate plane to determine the 6 trigonometric function values for theta equals 7 pi divided by 6, or 7/6 pi radians. To begin, we sketch the angle in standard position. The initial side is along the positive x-axis. And now we rotate counterclockwise 7 pi divided by 6 radians, or 7/6 pi radians. Remember, 1/6 pi radians equals 30 degrees. This indicates half a rotation counterclockwise would be 6/6 pi radians. We need to rotate an additional 1/6 pi radians for 7/6 pi radians. This would be the terminal side for 7 pi divided by 6 radians, or 7/6 pi radians. Next, we'll label the reference angle and then sketch the reference triangle. The reference angle is the acute angle formed by the terminal side of the angle and the x-axis, which is this acute angle here, which measures 1/6 pi radians, or pi divided by 6 radians, if we want 30 degrees. To sketch the reference triangle, we sketch a vertical segment from any point on the terminal side to the x-axis, let's say here, and notice this forms a right triangle. This right triangle is the reference triangle. Notice we have a pi divided by 6, pi divided by 3, pi divided by 2 reference triangle, or a 30, 60, 90 reference triangle, because we're in the third quadrant where x is negative and y is negative. We can label the longer horizontal leg negative square root 3, the shorter vertical leg negative 1, and the hypotenuse 2. And now we can use this reference triangle to determine all 6 trigonometric function values. Cosine 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, which is negative square root 3 divided by 2. Sine 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse, which is negative 1 divided by 2, or negative 1/2. Tangent 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side, which is negative 1 divided by negative square root 3, which simplifies to positive 1 divided by square root 3. Let's go ahead and rationalize the denominator by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the square root of 3, which gives us square root 3 divided by 3. Next, the secant function value equals the reciprocal of the cosine function value. The reciprocal of negative square root 3 divided by 2 is negative 2 divided by square root 3. We're using the reference triangle. Secant 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the hypotenuse to the adjacent side, which also gives us 2 divided by negative square root 3, or negative 2 divided by square root 3. And if we rationalize the denominator like we did for 1 divided by square root 3, we can also express the function value as negative 2 square root 3 divided by 3. The cosecant function value equals the reciprocal of the sine function value. The reciprocal of negative 1 divided by 2 is negative 2 divided by 1, or negative 2, or using the reference triangle, cosecant 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the hypotenuse to the opposite side, which still gives us negative 2. And finally, the cotangent function value equals the reciprocal of the tangent function value. The reciprocal of 1 divided by square root 3 is square root 3 divided by 1. Cotangent 7 pi divided by 6 equals square root 3. Or again, using the reference triangle, cotangent 7 pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the opposite side, which gives us negative square root 3 divided by negative 1, which equals positive square root 3. I hope you found this helpful.